Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you all what I do in my maths notebook with my 6-year-old. So I don't download any worksheets from Google or anything from internet. I do everything at home with him in a written format in our notebook. So let's see what all we have done. So we have done ascending order. We have done descending order. I've given him vertical addition. So addition is one of the topic that we have already covered in our senior KG little bit at our home learning. How to carry it forward, I've taught all that. And then subtraction also I have given. And then these are the ordinal numbers because he learned it at school. So I wanted him to write. Then some word problems related to addition. So I can see these many stars in the sky. My friend can see these many stars. How many stars are there in the sky? So this is how I have given. So now this is a mix of addition and subtraction. And then we have Sarvam knows only 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 tables. So likewise we have taken practice of that as and when required. Again vertical addition, subtraction, again some table, then 4 table he learned that time. So clock is one of the topic. Time clock is one of the topic that I've already covered during our senior KG and have shared on my Instagram and YouTube also. I also have one of the activity kit where you can train your child and teach how clock, everything about clock, minutes, hand, hours, hand, big hand, small hand, everything. So over here I've given him time. So he has to put hand where to put big hand and small hand. Similarly, I've given hands over here and I've told him to write what is the time. Small hand is at 3, so 3 hours, and big hand is at 6, so 30 minutes. So now over here we were trying to teach him 6 table. Then I've given a little bit of Sudoku over here and then addition, subtraction. So over here I've given say the time. So over here I've given big hands representation and he has to write the time. Okay, and this is how over here I've given time and he has to do the representation of hands where will come what. Then addition I've done 3-digit additions. Okay, how to carry it forward and take it ahead. And then number names randomly 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Add to same numbers. So addition of same numbers we have given 3 plus 3, 8 plus 8, 5 plus 5 like that. And then fill in the blanks because he knows 2, 3 table very nicely. I give randomly given. See, एक तो होता है शुरू से sequence में table आना और एक होता है mix देना उनको. So I've given mix over here. Then again Sudoku I've given and then 6 table random table practice we have done. Again addition. And over here I've given number bonds. So these are number bonds that 10 is made of what? 10 is made of 5 and what? So he has to write 5. So before teaching subtraction or before moving on to subtraction, you have to make sure that child is pro in this, which is number bond. I have a video on YouTube. You can already check. I have already explained. So 8 is made of what? 3 and 5. So this is how it's done over here. And then representation of the numbers. Now 2 can be presented as 2 plus 0, 1 plus 1. 3 can be presented as 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 1 plus 2. Over here what I have taught is I have asked him January, February, March, write all the months and write how many days are corresponding to it. Okay, so then you have to add it because अपन ऐसे बोलेंगे कि 1 year में 365 days होते हैं but बच्चे खुद अगर एडिशन करें ना तो उनको हमेशा याद रहेगा that it is 365 days. Then they will be never confused. Okay, and similarly I've taught that February has 28 days and I have also taught that there is a leap year in which it has 29 days. So during the leap year the total number of days is how much? 66 days, correct? 365 plus 1 day is 366 days. So similarly, I have drafted questions according to what I've taught here about the month question and about the leap year. So leap year has how many days? In a leap year, February has how many days? A year has how many days? And fifth month has how many days? How many days wala question basically. Then this is the time of the day. So you say good morning when sun what? Sun rises, sun sets, sun shines, and when you see stars and moons, and what happened? So this is about good morning is when sun rises, and you say dash when sun is shining. You say good afternoon, and you say good evening when sun sets. You say good night when what? When what happens? When stars are twinkling. I have covered the topic of determine days, which जिसका मैंने separate video भी share करा है, that how to determine day before yesterday, day after tomorrow. This is the concept that I have taught, that making table, you solve it. Make the table and solve it. Okay. For example, if yesterday is Tuesday, what is day before yesterday and what is day after tomorrow? So for that you have to make a table and you have to determine accordingly. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.